I was not supposed to say this, but learned this from my makeup artist friend.
Guys, be calm and feel the positive vibes in the morning. Don't be hyper.
Hi, good morning. How are you? Welcome to another vlog. Is this right? If this angle is weird, I'm sorry. I'm learning. Okay, I'm learning. So I'm just getting ready for this another beauty event. Who am I? Sort of this community event, and I'm on my period, so I'm not feeling very well. So I did not really wash my hair. Disgusting! But I did put them into this cute little French twist, Can you see? Yeah. I have made a tutorial about it. You can go check it out. But yeah, it is another like they're going to treat me to like a facial, which is, when I got the message, I'm like, why does everyone think I need a facial? Okay, maybe I do, but it's okay. I like to start with blush, which is, I know, a weird step to start with, but I just like to add some colors in the face and the eyes. I'm not going to do too much. Not that I ever do too much, but so yesterday was Holi. I was home. I don't play Holi. Do you guys play Holi? I don't know. And I was just, editing this brand deal that I did, and I was just like working. And this thought came to me that why am I working on Holi? But at the same time, oh, I like to take my concealer like this. So you just sort of warm it up. I'm using this NARS concealer. I'm in the shade Tiramisu. And I was just thinking that why am I working even on Holi? But then I thought, you know what? This is what I wanted. I wanted to work. This year, my wish was I just want to work, and travel. So hopefully travel with work, but if not, that's okay too. And I like to just go up like this. I learned this from my makeup artist friend. It really like opens up your eyes. Yeah, so basically the thought was that wow, I'm getting invited to so many of these events, and like, um sorry, I can only do one thing at once. I'm trying to talk while I do this. And I know I'm doing my makeup, but they're just gonna remove it because I'm really just going for a facial, right?
In case you haven't noticed, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo.
But it's okay. Just a little bit. I want good pictures and I want to do it for like the thumbnail basically. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, so I was just basically telling myself, you know what, Smile, let's not make a big deal out of it. You have put out like 200 videos on beauty, so you are going to be called to beauty events. So just chill. This is what you wanted. And sometimes, when we get exactly what we want, our brains are like, "Ooh," but that's just because they're not familiar to it. I don't like to touch these, spots with the beauty blender. I'll just let them sit. I like to let the concealer sit there while I blend everything else out. My affirmation card today was also like so funny. It said, I freely accept abundance in my life. Okay. And that's just the thought for today. I'm not going to question any abundance that's coming my way. I just freely accept it. That is the thought. Yeah, see, this is the reason I like to blend. I like to put my blush first because then it just sort of shines through all the makeup and it doesn't look like you've been slapped. And I have not even done my lymphatic drainage today, so I'm just like very puffy because I thought, you know what, they're gonna give me a facial, they're gonna give me a massage, so why should I do it? I like to softly tap on these marks so that I'm not moving the product really around that much. And this one actually, I won't even touch it on the top. I'll just blend the outside, like the perimeters of it. And my favorite powder right now is this Givenchy 4-color powder. Also the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Yeah, that's also really good. But I really like this one. That one gives more of a like a matte thing, but this one is just always do this with your powder. Don't go straight, otherwise it'll form like clumps, which we don't want. Look at this. Yes, Sarah. I need to buy another one. It's just all. It's like, bro, I'm dying. Can you just stop it? You know when you like something and then you want to keep using that same thing. That is the kind of person I am. I don't really do anything to my brows. I just like to brush them up, just like this. Because I think mostly all Indians have good brows. We really don't need to do anything except brush them up. You can fill it in a little bit in places, but yeah, I don't think we need it. I think we just have amazing brows. I'm using the Huda Nude palette. I just like to take this color as just this one color will do. Will not do like a whole eye look. Also, I like to just fan this shadow as far as possible. Don't care how far it goes. Like it's literally out of my eye right now, but it's gonna look fine. I also like to go underneath like this. This gives a really good definition to your eye. Never skip this step if you're doing sorry, if you're doing eyeshadow. You see how much of a difference it makes. First I like to just tap the color and then I start to like do any kind of blending strokes. And if you're wondering where I learned my makeup, I was a fashion model for 5 years and I modeled a lot for like so many brands, especially MAC, and that's where I made really good friends with this makeup artist. And yeah, as a model you get your makeup done so many times that you just learn stuff. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Smile. I am an actor, I am a painter, I am also a YouTuber now, and I've recently just started vlogging my life. So I live in Bombay, and you know what, guys? I'm thinking of a giveaway. I was not supposed to say this, but I am thinking of a giveaway, and it's going to be 5 people in 5 weeks. I'm putting like a lot of stuff into it, so and there's also one stuff that is handmade by me. One stuff. Oh, look at me like trying to like, but yeah, uh, I'm really excited for that. Anyway, if you're new, please like this video, please subscribe. It's really going to help my channel. And because I just started making videos, so your support is basically everything that matters. I think this is looking good. Okay, should we do mascara? अब इतना सब कर ही लिया है तो mascara भी कर ही लेते हैं ना, इतना क्या सोच रहे हैं? should we do should we do a brown liner also? Let's just do. I don't think this is. I don't think I should, because this is looking good. Okay, that's fine. I'll just do this instead. I know this is an eyeliner. I know, but you can use your makeup however you like. Okay, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium. Perfect nude. And if I think I see the brown somewhere, I just like to go in and like smudge it out. So it's not like a brown line, but almost like a shadow. What was I saying? Yeah, I was introducing myself, na? Ha. So basically, I put a lot of beauty content out. I have this video series called Indian Beauty Secrets. I have Pretty Little Things, and what else? Yeah. So if you like that kind of stuff, or if you just like me, please like me. Anyway, uh, then you can, you know, like and subscribe and tell me in the comment that you are a new subscriber, or even if you're an old one, you know, let me know you're still watching this video. So Okay, this is coming together. This is coming together. Dude, I don't know the time. Shit. The fact that I recorded my phone now, I forget. I forget I have to go also. Anyway, last step is the mascara. I'm going to do very little of it because, or rather, I don't think I should do it only. थोड़ा सा तो कर लेते हैं. With mascara, it's about the technique. Really. But that's just my opinion. Do you have like a favorite mascara or something that you would want me to try? Because for me, I feel like it's sab ek hi baat hai. It's about the technique, but you know. But if there is a mascara that you think that oh my god, this is the best mascara, let me know. This why do I see this hair coming out? Hello? No. I've spent an hour doing this hairstyle. You cannot come out. Okay, here's the final look. Can you move? I'm showing my final look. Okay, here's the final look. I am not redoing the hair. I think they look okay. I'm just overreacting now. And just a little bit of a perfume. I think I'll carry this, you know, in case they just open. This is the final look. How am I looking? Let's go. Vlog is better like when it is not it's professional. So guys, my hair were like really oily and I didn't want to wash them, and now anyway, I told him all the best. बहुत सारे pins हैं. But yeah, there was the rooms were like busy, so they just told us that we can get some hair spa. Guys, should we get a camera for the vlog? Because look at my skin. Wow. What is How's the skin looking? How is the skin looking? I just got a hair spa just for that. I think my affirmation was true. I freely accept abundance in my life. I went there for a facial because somebody's crossing. I don't know why I still get a bit shy just recording in public. I don't actually, that's not true. I don't get shy, but sometimes if they look at me, then I'm like, I should just, you know. Anyway, so coming to like my morning affirmation was about I freely accept abundance in my life. And actually, this was just a beauty event which wherein I was invited to come and try out their facial and see if I like it. But as I was there, for some reason there was a waiting time and they were like, you know what, do you also want our hair spa? I was like, okay. And so we got a hair spa also. Anyway, so how is my skin looking? Is it looking fresh? How much rating should we give them? I think it was a just a hydrating facial, so I don't know if it'll be that much of a difference, but it's sure like I can definitely feel like it's glowing, you know. Some water. I'm trying to take like a um, thumbnail because I forgot to take thumbnail. Should this be the thumbnail? It's very important because if you saw the thumbnail, that's why you clicked, right? It's very important. So I have to. I'm just trying to take a thumbnail till I have daylight. Otherwise, I won't be able to. But if you're still watching, comment below glow. just the word glow, then I will know that you watched all the way till now. Okay? It'll be our little secret. Just comment glow.
Guys, be calm and feel the positive vibes in the morning. Don't be hyper.